23-year-old Janice Howell, a teacher of Retreat Drive, Bayview, Bullbay in St. Andrew, has been missing since Monday, November 1. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Harborview police are that Howell was last seen in Bullbay wearing a white blouse and a light blue jeans pants. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Janice Howell is being asked to contact the Harborview police at 876-983-2255, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. 28-year-old Renise Fletcher of nurses' residence at the University Hospital of the West Indies has been reported missing since Monday, November 1. Unconfirmed reports are that Renise left the University Hospital to meet a friend in Ligani, but she never showed up. She has not been seen or heard from since, and her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Renise Fletcher is being asked to contact the Mona Police Post at 876-837-7192, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. 14-year-old Kadeen Roach is missing. She was last seen on Golding Avenue in the Kingston 6 area on Sunday, October 31st. When last seen, she was wearing a black sleeveless dress and a pair of blue slippers. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kadeen Roach is being asked to contact the Papine Police at 876-927-2047, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Also missing is 15-year-old Kellina Gavin, who was last seen on Wednesday, October 27th. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. When last seen, she was wearing a red and blue dress and a pair of black slippers. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Kellina Gavin is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!